Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to send email on Spark account. Spark is an AI-driven mailing application that helps you compose and manage email. To send email through Spark account, you can first open your Spark application on your mobile phone. Now you need to make sure that you are logged into your Spark account. After this, here you can see your general inbox. You can see a small pen icon on down right corner. Tap on the pen icon. With this, it will take you to messaging section. Now here you can tap on to and then type in the mail address of that person to whom you want to sell your mail. After this, you can select their account. Then you can tap on subject and then enter the subject matter of your message. Then you can tap on say something and enter your message or your main email. With this, now here you can tap on no signature box and then enter your signature. Now if you have some files to send, you can tap on a small file icon on down left corner and then you can attach the file. Here you can see you can attach different kind of files, you can attach photos and many more. Now you need to make sure that your files are not of greater storage. Then you also need to allow your Spark to access to your device storage. You can also see some of the other features over here, like you can use AI and other features. Some of the features are premium, that means you need to purchase some of the packages and plans of Spark to get it. You can also set a reminder for you to receive the response on the email that you have sent. For this, tap on the small clock icon on the down. Now here you need to tap on got it option and then here you need to select a time within which you want your response. Then you can also schedule your sending time. For this, tap on a small plane icon with a small clock on the down and then you need to tap on got it option. With this, you need to select the time in which you want to send your email. After this, you can send your email by tapping on the small plane icon on the top right corner. With this, your message will be sent and you'll be directed to your inbox. Now here you can tap on three lines on the top right corner. Then you can tap on send option on the folders and then here you'll be able to view the email that you have sent. Here you can see the email that I have sent just now. You can also see send with Spark option on the down. This is how we can send email on Spark account. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.